Ability, Part 1. Can is used to talk about having the ability to do something, in the present.
I can swim. I can drive.
The negative form is can't or cannot.
I can't swim. I cannot swim. I can't drive. I cannot drive.
Questions.
Can you swim? Can you drive?
Could is used to talk about having the ability to do something, in the past.
I could swim when I was 5. I couldn't speak Spanish when I was a child. Could you play the trumpet when you were 9?
Could is also the conditional form. We use this form for imaginary situations in the present.
I could make an omelette, if we had some eggs.
Could have, plus past participle, is the perfect conditional form, which is used to talk about imaginary situations, in the past.
I could have made an omelette, if we had had some eggs.
Can, and to be able to. To be able to, not can, is used in the following verb tenses and forms. The present perfect.
I haven't been able to contact her. Her line is always busy.
The past perfect.
When the hearing took place, the investigators still had not been able to find evidence of a crime.
Other perfect forms.
I would have been able to take you to the airport, but I didn't have a car.
You should have been able to beat the competition. What went wrong?
The simple future.
I will be able to drive when I finish my driving lessons.
Would.
I would be able to hang the painting if we had tools.
The going to future.
I'm not going to be able to climb that rock face.
The infinitive without to.
I might be able to pass the exam if I study.
The to infinitive.
You need to be able to speak French to get the job.
Verb plus ing.
Driving through the fog without being able to see anything was a terrifying experience.
Can and be able to are not used in continuous tenses. Thank you for watching. I look forward to seeing you soon.